Hi guys, it's Jay here, and today I've got something super special to tell you. It's a new software just released that you're absolutely gonna love. And let me tell you, this one actually has me excited because it's something that's really going to help you. I'm going to go ahead and show you a demo of the software in a second, but before I do, I want you to check out the link below this video and see the special bonuses that you can get if you pick it up through me. Alright, let's go ahead and jump right into it and see the demo.
Introducing InstaBoost by Auto Engager. I. Your ultimate tool for elevating online engagement and driving conversions. This innovative platform harnesses the power of artificial intelligence to create personalized content that resonates with your audience. With its user-friendly interface, you can effortlessly craft tailored messages across multiple channels, ensuring your brand's voice remains consistent and compelling. InstaBoost intelligently analyzes user behavior, adapting your outreach strategies for maximum impact and engagement. Say goodbye to cookie-cutter marketing techniques, as this AI-driven solution empowers you to connect authentically with your customers. Plus, the real-time analytics feature allows you to track performance metrics, helping you fine-tune your campaigns on the fly.
Thanks for watching this demo. I hope you loved it. Don't forget I've got some amazing bonuses for you. Click the link below and be sure to like and subscribe to get more videos.